Starting in 5 seconds. Madam Speaker, my government is committed for the welfare of farmers. For decades, country's agriculture policy and program had remained production centric. We have sought to effect a paradigm shift. Honorable Prime Minister gave a clarion call to double farmers' income by 2022 when India celebrates its 75th year of independence. Our emphasis is on generating higher incomes for farmers. We consider agriculture as an enterprise and want to help farmers produce more from the same land parcel at lesser cost and simultaneously realize higher prices for their produce. Our emphasis is also on generating productive and gainful on farm and non farm employment for the farmers and landless families. Madam Speaker, as a result of the hard work of our country's farmers, agriculture production in our country is at a record level. During the year 2016-17, we achieved a record food grain production of around 280 million tons and around 300 million tons of fruits and vegetables. Madam Speaker, in our party's manifesto, it has been stated that the farmers should realize at least 50% more than the cost of their produce. In other words, one and a half times of the cost of their production. Government have been very much sensitive to this resolution and it has declared minimum support price for the majority of rabi crops at least at one and a half times the cost involved. Now we have decided to implement this resolution as a principle for the rest of crops. I am pleased to announce that as per predetermined principle, government has decided to keep MSP for the all unannounced crops of Kharif at least at one and half times of their production cost. I am confident that this historic decision will prove an important step towards doubling the income of our farmers. Our government works with the holistic approach of solving any issue rather than in fragments. Increasing MSP is not adequate, and it is more important that farmers should get full benefit of the announced MSP. For this, it is essential that if price of the agriculture produce market is less than MSP, then in that case government should purchase either at MSP or work in a manner to provide MSP for the farmers through some other mechanism. For better price realization, farmers need to make decisions based on prices likely to be available for after its harvest. Government will create an institutional mechanism with participation of all concerned ministries to develop appropriate policies and practices for price stop